I'm Amara Lytle, and I'm a manufacturing systems engineer at Atlas Copco Group. At Atlas Copco Group, I make sure that all the machines are connected to internet to collect data and analyze it. Every single piece of equipment we have on the floor, we need to know what's going on with them, what are they producing, who's producing it for, quality purposes. I got in through engineering through very influential teachers in physics, and I wanted to make sure that my career continued in that. So then I found industrial engineering, and I knew that that was the right path for me. Most people will say problem solving, and of course that's a great aspect, but I feel it really boils down to being able to exercise my intelligence and kind of being able to stretch it in different ways. And then the end product, of course, is the gratification of solving problems. As an engineer, I just love making your life easier. Atlas Copco Group is a phenomenal culture. That is something I really valued coming in here. I would say it's a very collaborative and supportive community. My advice for someone thinking about going into engineering is I would not be afraid of it, period. My graduating class was one of the most diverse thinkers I've ever seen in so many different ways that they learn, and yet they're all very successful and very needed. Atlas Copco Group, a great place to be an engineer.